Let's be honest, the most noticeable difference that we hear between an amateur mix and a professional mix is how well the vocals are mixed. But what if I was to tell you, mixing your vocals in your DAW only gets you 25% of the way there. The other 75% comes from before you even touch any plugins, and that is what I call the capture. The way that you record your vocal almost determines everything on how it's gonna sit in the mix. If your vocal is recorded clean, clear, and full from the start with the right mic, preamp, and proper gain staging, then mixing becomes easy. You're enhancing a great performance instead of having to fix problems. I like to think of it like this. The mic shapes the tone. The preamp adds character and depth. And clean levels keeps everything smooth. That's why a vocal chain matters so much. So when I was looking for a budget-friendly but still pro-sounding vocal chain, I ended up coming across the company Warm Audio. And they were kind enough to send over a few of their microphones and preamps so that I could showcase to you how great their vocal chains sound. So when it comes to creating a vocal chain for yourself and for the studio, the thing that I like to look at is versatility in the microphones and what's gonna be best for the singer and for the song. So Warm Audio sent me 4 of their microphones in 2 different styles. The WA-87jr and the WA-87jr Studio Essentials is a modern 87 style sounding microphone with its clear top end and solid mid-range. It is a great all-around vocal microphone and works on lots of voices. The Studio Essentials version is a one-stop shop to where it's good for just plugging in and going ahead and getting professional sounding vocals right there. Now, when it comes to the Junior version, you have a little bit more options on the microphone. You have 3 different polar patterns. You have a 70 Hertz high pass filter, and you also have a -10 dB switch on here. So the WA-87jr has a lot more features than the Studio Essentials, but they're both gonna get a pro sounding vocal with clear top end and a solid mid-range to where if you want to get just plug and play, you got it with this microphone. Then we got the WA-47jr and the WA-47jr Studio Essentials. This is a classic 47 style microphone. It makes your vocals bigger, thicker, and warmer. Great when you want warmth without losing clarity in your vocal. Like the 87jr, it's gonna be the same kind of switches that you're gonna get on the 47jr. 3 polar patterns, 70 Hertz high pass filter, and a -10 dB switch. With the Studio Essentials, you're still gonna get that modern sounding 47 style microphone, but with less features, but still that same quality sound. So when it comes to picking out a microphone best for your vocals, if your vocals are sounding pretty dark and they sound pretty full and you want some presence in your vocal, I highly suggest going with the 87 style microphone. Right there, you're gonna add some top end to where the clarity is gonna sound amazing through that microphone.
You can write a note, you can even post it, but I don't wanna know who you're messing with.
Then if your vocal is sounding a little bit thin, I highly suggest getting the 47 style microphone just because you're gonna get a bigger, warmer, fuller sound out of your vocal with this.
You can write a note, you can even post it, but I don't wanna know who you're messing with.
Now, this is only the first step in getting a quality sound vocal chain. The next step you need to take consideration is the preamp. So when it came to a preamp, Warm Audio sent me out their WA-12 Mark II preamp. This preamp is honestly a game changer when it comes to vocals. What's cool about this preamp is that there's so many different things that you can use with this one preamp, but when it comes to vocals, it is a game changer. This preamp adds analog color, like punchy, warm. It gives my vocals more size and attitude before I put any plugins on it. Another cool thing about this preamp is that it has a tone switch. Let me tell you, I do not turn this off. I keep this on all the time when it comes to recording vocals or putting my bass through it or having my snare microphone going through this preamp. Like, the amount of body and saturation color that I get out of this tone knob is amazing. Another unique feature about this preamp is that it's compact, so you're able to place it on your desk, and that's how Warm Audio intended it to be. How I have mine is that it's right next to me on top of my desk with my audio interface on top of it, to where where if I want to record vocals, record guitar, or even record bass, I have it right next to me ready to go. So I highly recommend pairing the Warm Audio microphones with the Warm Audio preamp as a combination. And if you look online, they have this combo already set up for you. And let me tell you, this sounds way better than a $2,000 to $3,000 microphone that I used to use all the time. And yes, I say used to use because the color and saturation that I get from these microphones, where if I want a bright sounding vocal to where it sounds already radio ready, or if the vocal sounds a little bit thin, I'll just go and choose a 47 style. Going through a preamp, it's honestly game changer to where I don't have to use that much plugins when it comes to creating a professional sounding vocal on a record. So when picking out the right microphone for your voice, if your voice is pretty full already but you need some clarity to it, I highly recommend getting the 87 style microphone and pairing it with the preamp. And then if your vocal is sounding a little bit thin and you need a little bit more body out of your vocal, I highly suggest picking up the 47 style of the microphone. I want to say thank you again for Warm Audios for sending me out these microphones and preamps in order to showcase for y'all to see how you can get a professional sounding vocal chain right from the start. And if you want to know how to get the other 25% of mixing your vocals, make sure you click on this video right here.